Hello, everybody. This is a continuation of session 2. In the last session, I had already spoken about in detail about marine insurance. This will be a continuation to the topic. See, there are different policies, there are different types of general insurances where you all can work upon. Like if I explained about marine insurance, I want you all to please refer and make a page ready about fire insurance, what is theft insurance, and few others. If you can find, it will be very good. It will be a good thing if you do it. We will see seven main role and importances of insurance. Insurance has evolved as a process of safeguarding the interest of people from loss and uncertainty. If you want to know which is the exactly first bank or first insurance movement started in India, that was by Miss Bhavskar. She was a lady in Kolkata, and to meet the needs of Britishers and people from Europe, they needed insurance policies. That's the reason Imperial Bank was started. So you should remember the year 1818. This was all a start many years back before independence. Then came Life Insurance Corporation in 1956, and there were a lot of changes that people had witnessed. Now we see many differences in the current scenario with respect to few decades back what we had in insurance sector. There are footballers, there are dancers, there are people working, risking their lives, there are people who are professional athletes. They also insure their body parts. This is what is happening in today's scenario. Now, for the role and importance of insurance, we will see all the points, and it can be for life and non life both, if you have to remember. So, these notes are going to help you in both. It provides safety and security. Obviously, when we know there is some kind of fear of loss, or suddenly if something happens, if we do not have financial security, we cannot pull ourselves together back. Where you have an insurance policy, you can apply for the quick medical bills remedy, and if you get your reimbursement on time, it can help you in certain way. I should not tell that it will give your life back, but it will definitely support you in some way where it can put you back to the same financial position. Generates financial resources. It creates financial resources by way of earning premiums. My expenditure will be the income of the insurance company, where these funds are gained by the companies, and it will create some kind of employment in our industrial sector, in insurance industry, because it is going to be indirect investment from our side, and also a kind of savings pattern that will be generated. If these kind of financial resources are pooled in our country, the economy will definitely prosper, and employment opportunities will be increased, as we are creating some capital formation is happening. Life insurance encourages a pattern of savings. I say, suppose my salary is 1 lakh rupees PM, and if I know I have an insurance policy of 1 crore and the premium is quite huge, it will restrict me from spending all of my amount, because I know on this date, on this particular ABC some date, my insurance or the premium will be cut from my salary. So I need to be prepared. It will be a kind of habit of savings that will be generated, and which is going to help you in future. The current expense will be your income for long term way. Promotes economic growth. As I told you, if it creates a habit of savings, it will create investments for our economy. People will try to get insurance policies where it is somehow contributing to the national income also, to a savings pattern. If generated, our economic conditions would improve and can lead to economic growth and economic development, and also raise in human development index. There will be a growth, stability, sustainable development of our economy, being a underdeveloped, a developing country. Medical support. Medical insurance are considered very essential in today's life. because the critical illness is very, you can say it's a kind of trend that is going on. We hear cases where people who are from the age group of 20 to 35, 40 are unexpectedly facing problems like heart problems, diabetes, arthritis, cancer, critical illness. There are policies which are offered by different insurance companies which will try to help them by providing a kind of financial support when they have to reimburse their bills or whenever they go for medical treatment. It can be a surgery, it can be whatever, including a chemotherapy, it can be helping them in CT scan or whatever medical help. Insurance will help to give you back the financial stability or at least help you by a part contributing from that end. Spreading of risk, insurance facilitates spreading of risk from insured to the insurer. In the first class I had already told the insurance policy functions as principle of indemnity or contract of indemnity. It promises to make your losses good. So whenever loss happens, it will be compensated if you have your policy. This is the last point, guys. Source of collecting funds. Large funds are collected by way of premium. These funds are again utilized for industrial development of the country, which will lead to economic growth and development and improvement in the economy. As I told in the third and fourth point, if it creates investment pattern, if it generates saving habits among people, there will be huge investments in our country and good capital formation, which will lead to solving the issues like unemployment in our country. And when people are educated, when people are aware, if they come to know that insurance in some way is going to help, it will be really good for the economy and also the people. Illiterates, maybe if we can give demonstration to them, maybe by word of mouth, or if role playing is done and explaining them what is the importance of general insurance or what is the importance of buying an insurance policy, will also open the doors for their investments and savings pattern. And it's not about buying a crore rupee policy or lakhs and lakhs of rupees policy. There can be a policy which is of few thousands and few lakhs, that is less than 2 lakhs, for vegetable vendors, hawkers. So insurance is not restricted to only the middle upper class and upper class of the society. It is for everybody, and depending on the amount, the sum assured, there will be premiums fixed. There are policies kept by Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana type of policies. Such schemes will keep the premium as low as rupees 12 per month and maybe 100 rupees per annum for people who are working on streets or daily basis, or just like I told, vegetable vendors, hawkers. So these all people will also be benefited. So this is all about today's class. Do let me know if you have any doubts. Please message me on Moodle. Thank you.